Hello, my name is Miss St. Pierre. I am your child's U.S. history teacher. Welcome back to school. A little about me, I am a San Diego native. I've spent most of my life here. I went to Mesa College and got my AA and transferred to SDSU where I got my bachelor's degree in social science. I also got my teaching credential there, and I am currently in a master's program at SDSU as well. So I'm lucky to have been able to do all of my teaching here at Madison. I did my student teaching hours with Miss Headley, and since I've been here, I've taught economics, U.S. history, freshman foundations, and then last year I also taught 10th and 11th grade English for half of the year. I live only a couple miles from Madison, so it's really nice for me to be able to teach at a school that's within my community, near the community I grew up as well. So I'm happy to be here. I have a 22-year-old daughter, a 17-year-old son, and a 9-year-old daughter. So I understand what we've all been going through over the last year and a half on every level, as a teacher, as a student, as a parent. So we're here to do this together and overcome, this transition together and get back to school. And I'm here to help you and your students. My goals and methods. So my goals are to provide a supportive classroom atmosphere while doing the California standards, but I add a lot of that as well. So I want your kids to be ready for career or college or whatever they're going to do in life. And for me, the most important part of history is looking at history from everybody's perspective. So we do a lot of cool things in here where we're bringing in different perspectives and seeing how everybody has kind of viewed and experienced the world and our history as a country and prior to becoming our own country. So very exciting stuff. But I do a lot of different things, different projects, so that this works for everybody. We have choice in our assignments so that everybody can do what works for them so that they're better able to learn the material. Our LMS system. So we do use Google Classroom. Everybody should be signed into the Classroom platform. All the assignments, all my daily slideshows, everything is accessible there, and it's organized by date. So it's very easy to find. If they're ever absent, they just go to the date that they've missed and look up everything that we did. In my class slides, every video link, everything I do is there for them. Classroom expectations. This is a huge one for me, and you can talk to your kids. I've said it a million times, but be respectful at all times. I expect them to be quiet and listening when anyone is talking, not just me, but other students as well. Attend class daily, arrive to class on time. If you're ever absent, you can just go to the Google Classroom. But students should have their computers. They should be charged and ready. They should bring their charger just in case. Engaging in classroom discussion and activities. And again, I have a variety of ways to participate in the discussion. If your child is shy or quiet, that's okay. We have ways that they can get involved. Please complete all tasks by the due date. We had a lot of really late assignments and stuff last year with COVID, and we're going to try and get away from that and get back into, excuse my light, and get back into the world of due dates, which is what grown-ups have. So we can all tell them about that. And if they ever need help at all they have to do is come talk to me, or they can email me. I'm always available for them. Important dates. So for the semester, I'll not go through all the dates right now. You can click on my slideshow and look at these, or take a screenshot of them so that you have all of those. But the bell schedule and all that is here on the Madison website as well. And then if you have any questions, general questions, you can go to the office on those. And then if you want to talk to me during office hours for open house, here's the link. You can open my slideshows and click the link, or you can enter the meeting ID. There is no password to enter. I hope to see you soon. Have a good one.